Let's explore how to change the lighting of the Destroy City without the use of the MegaCitigen add-on. This approach applies to all standalone MegaCitigen asset packs. Go to the Outliner window and search for Sun_EV. Select it and go to the Property panel. Rotation X will change the height of the sun above the horizon, and Rotation Z will determine the horizontal location of the sun in the sky. If you have the MegaCitigen add-on installed, the process, of course, becomes far simpler. Just go to the Environment Lighting panel and change these settings. Moreover, you can use presets. You can tweak the settings to make the sky to fit your vision and save them as a preset. You can add clouds or animate them along with the sun to mimic time-lapse videos. Thank you for watching.